I don't know about you, but I have no end of problems getting a straight cut on wood so that I can glue them seamlessly. I cut these two pieces on the circular saw against my fence. Now the problem is, this is how I want to glue them. If I hold that up against the light, I can see the light clearly through it. There's about 1mm of gap, which is going to look terrible once it's glued. So the problem is, if you've got a piece of wood with an uneven surface, even if you've got a lovely straight fence, as you come onto the fence and exit the fence, you're not going to be moving in a straight line. So the solution is to ditch the fence and use a sled. Now this sled is just a piece of sheet material with a couple of pieces of studwork timber running along the front and back edges. Ideally, you'd make the base out of plywood or something very strong and rigid. I used a high density chipboard in this instance because it was what I had available. One other thing fairly important is this strip of wood running along the bottom, and that's designed to run along the mitre slot of your saw table. On this saw I've got a sliding table as well, and there are a couple of small pegs, and I just locate those in a couple of holes in the base here. So once you've taken your base piece of material and you've glued and screwed the two pieces of stud work along the front and back, and you've attached the strip of wood that's going to run along the mitre slot, it's time to cut the blade slot. And that's quite simple. You start up your saw and slide your sled over it. Beware, if you have screwed these in, make sure you haven't got any screws anywhere near where the blade's going to pass. One final addition I've made is to have the ability to clamp wood onto the sled, but I haven't really found the need to use this. It seems that since the sled actually runs with the wood that I'm cutting, the wood doesn't really want to move on the sled as long as I'm holding it down with my hand. It seems quite happy and I get really good straight cuts on it. So I want to join these two pieces of wood, so I'm going to make two straight cuts along this face and this face. I only want to take maybe 1mm or 0.5 mm off. I don't want to waste the wood unnecessarily. And it's quite nice with the slot in the sled, you can see exactly where the blade is going to cut. So that looks about right. There's one. And there's two. Now let's have a look at how well they fit together. Looks like I got cut off there. Well, at least that gave me the opportunity to glue those pieces of wood, and I'll show you the joint now. As you can see here, the join is almost invisible. If you are struggling to see it, it's running right down from the top to the bottom in the centre of your screen. Well, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments or questions or suggestions on how I can improve my sled, then please do let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you soon.